Hey you. So this video is for you if you are an aspiring artisan, jewelry designer, all these beautiful deliciousness. If you love to create things with your hands, this video is for you. And so the question is, will AI take over handcrafted jewelry? What is the future of handcrafted jewelry? First of all, what is the future of it? 2025 and beyond. So let's get into it. So the future of wire wrapping in 2025 and beyond is promising. Why is it promising? Because it will be a rise in handcrafted and artisan jewelry. People would crave handcrafted jewelry. People would crave unique pieces. This whole world will eventually be technology based. But these are the tools, these are the instruments, these are the creations that people would crave because it's human-like. It's human touch. It has the human touch to it. Okay? So there'll be a increase in handcrafted jewelry. People will love and adore unique handcrafted items that reflect craftsmanship and also individuality. Each piece stands out in its own right, and they all express people in completely different ways. That is why it's a perfect time to start wire wrapping. This is why you need to learn it. Wire wrapping has so many benefits. Two, by incorporating wire wrapping, by incorporating crystals, gemstones, minerals, you will be aligning with your spiritual growth, with your spiritual essence. These are an expression of you. These are your soul's expression. This is how you get your voice out into the world. This is how you let people know who you are. This is how you make your statement. This is how you make your statement. Come on now. This is how you make your statement, okay? Okay, this is your statement. So in 2025 and beyond, more wire wrap jewelry will incorporate crystals, gemstones, and minerals, and it will be more so aligning you with your spirituality, mindfulness, and also vibrational healing. And if you are seeking tools for self-care and wellness, this is a perfect opportunity to get into. This is perfect to get into. And also, when it comes to wire wrap pieces, when it comes to creating things with an intention, like amethyst up here, amethyst is great for the crown chakra. So when I wear this, I am more aligned, and I am more aligned with my higher self, right? This is amplifying my crown chakra, my ability to connect with my higher self. This is what the amethyst is used for, and this is why I'm wearing it on my head. So each piece, each placement of jewelry is placed in a different place on your body and exudes specific energy that you are looking for, okay? And so wire wrap jewelry also plays a part in chakra balancing, manifestation, and also protection themes. And these are what is likely in 2025 and beyond to stay in season. These are what will stay in demand. People will demand chakra balancing. People will demand self-care. People will be demanding manifestation, okay? People will be demanding protection and love and all of those beautiful things. And so the next thing is, when it comes to wire wrapping, these are tools that cannot be destroyed. These are not harmful to the environment at all. So even by wearing something that is eco-friendly as these crystals and copper, these are things that is bringing us back to nature. This is what will bring you back to nature. Okay, baby? Okay, baby? And it is not harmful to the environment. Just think about all the other stuff that's created that is harmful to the environment. But these are not. These are natural elements. These are what comes from the earth. These come from the earth. And the more that we connect with these, the more that we appreciate these things, the more Mother Nature, Mother Earth will love us and adore us for that. Because we are respecting the planet. We are honoring the planet. Okay? Everywhere we go, we are taking the planet with us. Okay, honey? We are taking these elements with us. Okay, honey? And this is why you need to learn to wire wrap today. Next. So the digital presence of wire wrapping and e-commerce will grow when it comes to the jewelry market, because many wire wrappers will get to sell their jewelry globally. You'll get to sell to somebody that is out of this country. And I did it. I got my first sale. I got my first customer for someone who was from Europe. When I tell you, I was like, international, baby. I'm international. Okay. And you'll also get to sell on platforms like Etsy, Instagram, and also other independent websites where you can expand your creations out into the world. And so, by learning these wire wrapping skills, you are creating opportunities for you when it comes to your finances, when it comes to expressing yourself in many, many ways. And let's talk about the benefits of wire wrapping. First of all, let's get into that. I have it here. It's somewhere here. Commercial break. Commercial break. Commercial break. Okay. So when it comes to wire wrapping is great for those who are seeking emotional healing, self-expression, and personal transformation. Wire wrapping is a meditative practice that can be used in a healing way to process emotions. And this process transforms wire wrapping into more than just a craft. It becomes a spiritual practice. And that practice allows you to release, transform, and embody your highest potential, because you are transforming your emotions. Okay? You are elevating. You are putting what you have inside of you into practice. Okay. Now, like I said, by learning this is what you are sharing to the world. You are gifting. This is your gift. This is your contribution to the world. Okay. And so the next thing is the predictions for 2025 and beyond is personalization and customization. Many people will be coming to you for personalized pieces because people will want to stand out more. They'll want to be set apart from everybody else. And so this is cool. This will be so cool because one, it will be testing you. It will be testing you and your creative abilities to expand outside of the commercialized aspect of wire wrapping, outside of crystal jewelry. Now, because some of the challenges and the adaptations that you will need to make in wire wrapping for 2025 and beyond is that because the market will grow, competition will arise. However, successful wire wrappers and artisans should focus on branding, storytelling, and creating their own niche in the market that stands them out, that sets them apart. There will be a lot of competition. You still will want to find your own niche that stands out. So this is the foundation. This is where you can build up your own niche and start your own niche and your own umbrella. The umbrella of what you are made of, the umbrella of what you love and what you are good at, essentially, right? Okay. Now, okay, so here are a few growth potentials when it comes to wire wrapping for 2025 and beyond. Is that people will be seeking collaborations. It could be brands out there who see a piece that you like and they want to collaborate with you. So that's the growth opportunity that you have the potential to get. And also AR shopping. And this AR shopping is a AI tool that is used for customers who will want to try on your pieces. So this is another area of growth that you can dive into with wire wrapping, with your own pieces. And also wire wrapping will become a quiet luxury. This will become a quiet luxury because it's so distinctive and it stands out and it's set apart. This would be something that is cherished by people who adore handcrafted jewelry. And this more so something that's quiet. It doesn't need to be loud and bold. And because it's quiet, it's sacred. It's sacred and it's appreciated more. So many people will appreciate your handcrafted jewelry. But first, you just need to get started. You just need to get started. And I got that for you. I got the perfect solution for you, okay? So, okay, so I created a wire wrapping guide for beginner wire wrappers. So, who is this for? This guide is for creative beginners, aspiring jewelry makers, and side hustlers who want to start wire wrapping without feeling overwhelmed. This guide is perfect for anyone who is looking to turn their passions into profit or simply create an enjoying, rewarding hobby. So this is perfect for you if you are this person that I just described. Now, what? This is a step-by-step roadmap to mastering the basics of wire wrapping jewelry. It covers tools, techniques, and even tips on selling your creations for free. For free. You ain't gotta pay. You ain't gotta pay to sell your creations, okay? Now, where does this apply? You can do this anywhere in the world, okay? You can do this anywhere you want to. You can do it at work. You can do it at home, in your own workshop, while you traveling. Wire wrapping is very portable, very flexible, and is perfect to fit your lifestyle. Any lifestyle that you have, it is perfect for that. Okay. Now, why? Let's talk about why you should get this guide. Why should you get this guide? You should get this guide because it's the easiest, most affordable way to kickstart your jewelry making journey with confidence, okay? And you will avoid the common mistakes beginners make and start creating stunning pieces, beautiful, extravagant, luxurious pieces in no time. You could literally do this in 1 week or less, okay? Now, the first couple days, the basics. You know, you might struggle, get down a few times. However, keep going. In that second week, the end of that first week and into that second week, you have it down. You have it down pat. Okay. So, how can you achieve all this? First of all, how can you even do it? How can you achieve wire wrapping jewelry? Okay, so let's get into it. You can achieve wire wrapping by following these actionable steps that I created and techniques that I created in this guide. And because this is designed to learn in a easy way, in a fashionable way. And you'll learn everything you need to create, sell, and shine. You need to shine. The world is waiting on your creations. The world is waiting on what it is that you can create with your beautiful hands, my creative, my artisan, my aspiring jewelry maker. Okay, so if this is something that you are looking for, you need to grab this guide. So this guide is only $37. This guide is only $37, where you will learn how to handcraft jewelry in the most simplest way, and you can create your own beautiful pieces. You'll learn the tools, the top techniques. I put so much into this. I'm telling you, it could be more than what it is. But the fact that it's $37, like, you really getting all my gems, okay? And then I'm going to be telling you a unique way to sell your jewelry. A way that nobody else out here is doing it, okay? And it's for free. It's for free. So this is something that you want, that you are interested in, that you are aspiring to do. Get the guide, and it is down in the description box. Get that today, okay? So, peace be with you. I see you soon.